In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Calendly booking page to perfectly suit your needs. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling appointments without the hassle of back and forth emails, and by customizing your booking page, you can make the process even more seamless and efficient. To get started, first, ensure that you're logged into your Calendly account. Once inside, locate the specific booking event you want to customize. You'll notice 3 dots next to it. Go ahead and click on those. From the drop-down menu, select Edit to begin personalizing your event. Once you've clicked Edit, a pop-up will appear on the right side of your screen. Here you'll have the opportunity to change the event type name. This is a great way to ensure that it accurately reflects its purpose, whether it's a consultation, a check-in meeting, or something else entirely. Moving on, you can adjust the duration of your meetings. Perhaps you want them to be 45 minutes instead of the default 30, or maybe even extend them to a full hour. Adjusting the time can help you manage your day more effectively and align better with your specific needs. Next, choose the meeting location. Calendly offers options like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Choose the one that best fits how you usually connect with clients. This choice streamlines the process for both you and your attendees, making it easier to engage without a hitch. Let's talk availability. This is where you set the days and times you're open for bookings, so you can stay in control of your schedule. It's essential to reflect your true availability to avoid any potential scheduling conflicts. By clicking More Options, you'll unlock additional customizations. Here, you can update the event description or add specific details or instructions for attendees. This added touch provides clarity and ensures everyone is on the same page before the meeting. If you're often juggling back-to-back meetings, take advantage of the buffer time settings. These allow you to schedule some breathing room between sessions. It's a simple addition that can greatly improve your work rhythm. In the Free and Busy Rules section, you can control when your event appears available, preventing any double bookings. This feature ensures a smooth, uninterrupted scheduling experience for both you and your clients. Scrolling further down, you'll find booking page options, which let you customize what your invitees see when they're booking with you. Don't forget about the invitee form, where you can add questions to gather crucial information from attendees before the meeting. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, take a moment to double-check everything. When it all looks perfect, click Save Changes to apply them. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Calendly booking page, making it more professional, efficient, and personalized. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.